So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the value of limit x tends to infinity x square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 2. So how do we do this? So in this question we are going to use the standard identity limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is equal to e. If something tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by something which tends to infinity power exactly the same number will be equal to e. So now what I try to do is I'll try to convert this limit into this form. So limit x tends to infinity. To exactly get this limit, I need to have a 1 extra. So what I do is this 5x plus 3 can be written as x plus 2 plus 4x plus 1. X plus 2 plus 4x plus 1. Now I'll separate x square plus x plus 2 and 4x plus 1 separately. So x square plus x plus 2 by x square plus x plus 2 is 1 plus 4x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 2 whole power x. Now if x tends to infinity, what does this tend to? Where does this go to? So if you have this limit, you have a complement of this limit, which is limit something tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is also equal to e. So if something tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by something power something is equal to e. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus something whole power 1 by something is also equal to e. That is equal to, as x tends to infinity, where does this go? This goes to infinity by infinity square 0. So if this is equal to t, so limit t tends to 0, right? You have 1 plus t. So you have something like 1 plus t. To get an e, you need something like 1 by t whole power t. And you have x here. So that is equal to, so this becomes e power limit t tends to 0 t into x, that is 4x plus 1 times x by x square plus x plus 2. As t tends to 0, obviously x tends to infinity. So when x tends to infinity, we know that only the highest power matters. So what is the highest power in the numerator? 4x square. The highest power is x square and the coefficient is 4x square. In the denominator, the highest power is x square. So effectively you have 4x square by x square equal to 4. That is equal to e power 4. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.